Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 12 fresh jalapenos, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 12 slices of thin-cut bacon. For an extra kick, you can also add some shredded cheddar cheese to the cream cheese mixture. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature for easy mixing. This simple list sets us up for success. Now, let's prepare our jalapenos. Carefully slice each pepper in half lengthwise, from stem to tip. Using a small spoon, gently scoop out all the seeds and the white membrane. This step is crucial for reducing the heat, so be thorough. I highly recommend wearing gloves to protect your hands from the capsaicin. Once cleaned, give them a quick rinse under cold water and pat them dry. This ensures a perfect base for our filling. Next, it's time for the delicious filling and wrapping. In a bowl, combine your softened cream cheese with any seasonings you like, perhaps a pinch of garlic powder or onion powder. Spoon about 1 tablespoon of this creamy mixture into each hollowed jalapeno half. Don't overfill. Then, take 1 slice of bacon and tightly wrap it around each filled jalapeno. If the bacon seems loose, you can secure it with a toothpick. This ensures the bacon stays put during cooking. Finally, let's get these poppers baked to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This helps with easy cleanup and prevents sticking. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the bacon is beautifully crispy and the jalapenos are tender. Once done, let them cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your homemade, delicious bacon-wrapped jalapeno poppers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.